welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Finally, I'm closing off the 2024 with December empties. I think I've been so consistent with the product empty series this year and you guys have showed me love for the same. So yeah, I'm really grateful for that. And here I have the final 2024 empties. I'm not sure if I'll be doing the same series in the next coming year, which is 2025, where we are already in. But I'll try and do it maybe every quarterly or every 2 months. Let's see how that goes. So here I have all of my December empties and we're going to go through them one by one. I'll be linking all of these products which I would, repurchase in the description box below. So do check it out. Now let's get started. First empty that I have are these Olaplex shampoo and conditioner set. So this is the Olaplex number 4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo and number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. I'm going to be making a full-fledged video on them, but if I have to quickly give you guys a review because it's an empties video, I would suggest dodge the conditioner and just go for the shampoo. It is quite expensive. These shampoos are for 3,000 rupees each. So in total, you pay 6,000 rupees for the shampoo and conditioner, which is, I know, quite expensive, but if you're someone with a lot of damaged hair and you need that bond repair, then I would suggest go for the shampoo. That I have is the Chemistat Play AHA body lotion. I've spoken so much about this body lotion and I really like it. It's one of the most effective body lotions when it comes to treating ingrown hair or the strawberry skin or body acne, because it's got natural AHA. You pair it up with a body wash and you'll see even better results, but I personally like to use it as it is. Also, it's got shea butter and the shea butter fragrance in it is so good. I'm definitely rebuying. The next empty that I have is one of these hand washes from Bath & Body Works. It's the Bergamot and Turmeric White Barn Gentle Hand Foaming Wash. I love Bath & Body Works hand washes. I always pick up 3 to 4 of them whenever they have these amazing 60-70% off sales. By the way, Bath & Body Works is available on Amazon in case you want to check it out. So I'll leave the link below. So I always pick them up during these sales. I get it for like 250, 300 rupees and then I stock them up for the year. Currently, I'm using the coconut vanilla one and then this is what I was using before that. So I love it. This is expensive for a hand wash, but it works very effectively. The next empty that I have is the MCaffeine Vanilla Dream Serum Body Lotion. Oh my god, in the last few videos I've spoken so much about it and recommended you guys, and I stand by it. It is one of the most amazing, lightweight, hydrating and amazingly smelling body lotion that MCaffeine has launched. You can get it on amazing offer right now. I'll leave it below. If you have not tried this body lotion out, please do, because it's really good. Also have a face wash that I emptied out. This one is the Aqualogica Detan Plus Mousse Hydrating Face Wash. Because it's a mousse one, it comes out as a foam and it's so fun to use it in the shower as well. It is pretty effective when it comes to tan removal, and overall I feel like Aqualogica does quite decent products. I personally prefer their moisturizers and sunscreens as well as few of their face washes. So I've got this one. It was winter season and of course I had to have this empty. This one is the Dot & Key Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid Barrier Repair Moisturizer with pH 5. This is such a good product. You can clearly see it's emptied and I already have a backup of it. So yeah, I am going to add it again in my backup list because you can never have enough of this moisturizer. Sometimes, when my heels are quite cracked, I use this to, repair that as well. The next empty I have is the Johnson's Baby Powder in the Blossom variant. This personally is something very difficult to find, the Blossom one, because it's got this really nice floral scent. I usually go for the regular baby powder that Johnson's Baby has. Sometimes when I find this on offer on Amazon, I pick it up. This is the huge size, the 500 gram one, and it's so good. I personally feel that in your hygiene care tips, it's good to use a baby powder, so we've got this. Next empty that I have is the Listerine mouthwash. This is the purple one, which is the mild taste one. I've been using this for the last 6 months. It's a huge one. This is what, 500 ml of mouthwash, and yeah, it's good for your oral, dental care as well. So this is a very basic product and I'm definitely buying the same one because it's quite mild. It's not very strong as the spearmint one. The empty that I have is the Derma Co Snail Peptide 96 Hydrating Serum. I have emptied around 10 bottles of these. I mean, of course, Derma Co was kind enough to send me those 10 bottles, but yeah, I've finished through all of them. It's a very good product. If I have to compare it with the OG Cosrx one, I won't say it resembles it to a great extent, but it's good if you want just a serum or a toner like product, but I'm gonna ditch it this time. I have this body butter from MCaffeine. This is the MCaffeine Vanilla Dream Body Moisturizer. This is how it looks. Guys, this was such an amazing product. Like I told you, M Caffeine has done an amazing job for their, vanilla range, and I would suggest you guys to try it out once. The next empty that I have is the Aqualogica 5 Barrier Plus Gentle Face Wash. This again, I have completely squeezed out. I love this face wash. Like if I have to choose one face wash from both of these Aqualogica ones, I would go for this one. This is a really good one, and for anyone with dry skin, normal skin, sensitive skin, try this one out. It's gonna work well. Finished up the Indie Wild Chumpy Hair Oil. I am saving up get the full size product of this, but this Chumpy oil is really good, so can't wait to stock up on that. And by the way, Indie Wild is now available on Amazon as well. The next empty that I have is the Ayuga Kashmiri Saffron Face Wash. Again, one of my favorite products that I used during like the spring season. A really good product that helps, remove like tan as well. So pretty decent. I have the Pond's Bright Beauty 12% gluten niacinamide serum. I know not a lot of people prefer Pond's because it's got high fragrance content, but it does work. I don't know how come, but the L'Oreal and Pond's serum really works well. So I've got this. The next empty that I have is the Beauty of Jason Relief Sunrise Plus Probiotic Sunscreen. You can see how much I've squeezed it out. It was one of the most hyped and viral products of 2024. If I'm going to buy it again or not is a bit subjective. I personally feel like there are better sunscreens. It was an okay one. I honestly feel I might skip it for now, but if you're interested, you can get it. I have a perfume empty. This is the Plum Body Loving Eau Perfume in Vanilla Caramello. Guys, I had purchased this in early November and it's already over. That's how much I use it. I use it as my more everyday perfume, the perfume that I use instantly when I'm out of the shower. It's not like my OG perfume because it's much more affordable and easy to use for daily wear, so you can get your hands on this one. I've also got their Moon Kissed one, which is so good, but the Vanilla Caramello is like really, like it tops all of that. Next empty that I have is the Hyphen Peptide Cocktail Serum. This one was a very requested serum when it came to reviews. It was blue in color. It was pretty okay. Did it really work in, giving you that Botox effect? No, I feel like it wasn't that great. I've been using other products with peptides and I'm seeing if it really works or not, but this wasn't the best. I've got few nicks and knacks. First I have is the Swiss Beauty Instant Dip and Twist Nail Polish Remover. These are so convenient and nice, and I'm definitely repurchasing this. Then I have is the 2% kojic acid serum from the Dermaco. Again, something that I'm repurchasing. I love kojic acid. It helps with dark spot reduction and depigmentation. The last two ones are again one of my very much recommended products. First I have is the Vaseline Healthy Hands Hand Cream. It's a bit difficult to find, but you can find it on Amazon and a really good product. And the last one I have is the Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink Lipstick in the shade Koi. This is 20 Koi and it's completely gone. Like literally there is no color left in this lipstick. I love this range from Maybelline and would highly recommend you guys to try out. So guys, those were all of my empties for the December month. I hope you guys enjoyed it and found it helpful. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.